All right, then take a look at the EppieBasic wireless charging LED desk lamp. It's a very neat design. It does come with instructions, so that's good. And we have a full AC adapter. So I really like that. We don't have to find a USB port. We can just plug this right into an outlet. So it does say it's good for 100 to 240 volts. That'll be good for international or domestic. And it outputs 12 volts at 2 amps. So it's just going to fold up. On the back, we have the port where we plug the power supply in. And we also have a USB-C output port. So if you want to, we can plug in and charge stuff with this lamp. But what's really cool about this is we can wirelessly charge our phone right here on the base. So here on the back of the base, we got our power switch, we got our color temperature, we have a light sensor. So we can actually use this to automatically adjust the light level depending on the ambient light in the room. If you want to turn that on and off, that is this switch over here. And then we got our brightness here and there. So let's test the charging. Okay, so yeah, it just worked right away. There's nothing you have to set up. So let's turn the light on. Right now we are at the dimmest setting, and then if I bring that up, that gets much brighter. We can adjust the Kelvin. So if we don't like that temperature, we can change that to whatever we want. And then if we turn on the light sensor, that's just going to use the sensor to determine how much light we need. So very easy to operate. Love that this has got a charger on it. It's always handy to have something on the desk that actually has a couple of different uses. So yeah, overall, that's a very nice lamp.